This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the West Loop, looking across the Kennedy Expressway to Whole Foods and Mariano's Groceries, just a short walk away. Panning around to the north for a look over the sizzling hot West Loop dining and nightlife scene. And panning around further, looking out toward the River North dining and nightlife scene within walking distance, and the Ogilvy Transportation Center just a short block to the east. A terrific near loop, walk to the office, walk to everything location here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Tower 3, Unit 3910. Plank flooring that you're seeing extends throughout the spacious living dining area that we have here. There's a pass-through breakfast bar island into the kitchen, which has good cabinet and counter space. Stainless steel appliances with a built-in dishwasher, microwave, and a refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. Heading toward the entryway of the unit, you're starting to see one of the great features here, a ton of storage. There are closets on both sides of the hallway here. I'm turning around to go toward bedroom 2, which is a nice size for a second bedroom. Larger than you're going to find in most of the competition downtown. Again, looking out to the north here, and you have a wide closet in the second bedroom. The guest bath, second bath, is just across the hall. Has attractive finishes, integrated quartz-like sink, countertop. Master bedroom is large. It's a true master retreat that can accommodate any size bed and quite a bit of additional furniture. Good spot for a home office. And again, you have terrific closets here. Closets that wrap around toward the entry to the bath, and a linen closet with shelving. Master bath has finishes similar to the guest bath. Has wide vanity with a bank of drawers for additional storage in the bath. Presidential Towers is a full amenity complex, has on-site management, maintenance, leasing, and 24/7 door staff. Has as convenient a location as you're going to find anywhere in downtown Chicago. And it's a spot that you should put on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.